Animals are not only smart, they're great fun too. So watching them is very entertaining. Click the like button and watch our new video where we compiled the most incredible moments. People haven't considered there might be somebody living in the tree.
I believe I can fly. Ah, damn.
What do you think? Was the bird lucky or did it have mad skills? An eagle wanted to take the rabbit from the fox and got the fox as part of the package. This bird has better moves than me. A pickup artist of the highest level. I like the way this guy tries to pull the snake by the back of its neck, like a kitten. And finally...
Why? Gördün mü?
The dog threw the bone to his friend to take the bed. Show me a more perfect plan. How do you make a donkey laugh? For example, a dog getting an electric shock. A hawk ruined these people's barbecue when it dropped a snake on their head. Squid camouflage in action. This is why you should shut your windows. And here is an epic battle for prey between two owls. Well, it's very clear who's in charge here. The kind of friend that will keep you out of trouble. A quick PSA about how dangerous bears are. Climbing onto a fence won't help you get away from this dog. This guy did not stand a chance from the very start, but he did well to last so long. And these fish managed to get inside a venomous jellyfish. This mouse is playing dead to escape the cat. A real-life Tom and Jerry. The dog didn't quite understand that you need to hold the pedal down for a bit longer, but still, you've got to admit, it's very clever. And this bird didn't mind sharing its bread, and got the jackpot as a result. What is this spider trying to tell us?
And then I gotta shut it, any little thing a nigga think that he be doing, cause it doesn't matter, cause I'm gonna dead it, then I'm gonna murder everything and anything about a boom, about a bing, I gotta do a lot of things to make it.
There are two types of dogs. What a cruel magic trick. And this is how dolphins hunt. They get close to a group of fish, select the one closest to it, after which the dolphin uses its tail to push the fish aside and catch it after it's been separated from the group. When you meet the love of your life. And this is a prank on a monkey. Thankfully, the snake isn't real. To save itself from the fire, a cat jumped out of the 5th story and walked away without a scratch. Yet another proof of the 9 lives theory. This dog should be included in athletics competitions. The shark so eagerly attacked the school of fish it nearly beached itself. Who could have thought that pigeons are capable of this? Remember this moment next time you take a picture of someone without their permission.
Wait a minute!
Run.
And here is an unexpected collision with a deer. Fortunately, no one was hurt. The driver panicked when his car was suddenly signaling. But then,
Hey!
if an octopus waved back at you, your life was worth living. A man brought a bag so that his cat could put a mouse into it. Just watch this video next time you want to complain about your job. Shouldn't have flaunted food in front of hungry birds when you weren't expecting guests. A leopard kidnapped a baby monkey, but look at the way the members of the group stand up for the little one. Eventually, the leopard was chased away and the baby monkey returned to its mom. A lioness comes dangerously close to the photographer. But what is more important to him, a great shot or his life? What a fearless girl! Take a look at the way the elephant heroically defends its territory against a helicopter. People were really scared of this leopard, but it was just trying to be friendly. I really wouldn't want to be in that boat. If you want to swim with rays, be ready for this. And this savvy dog could save its friend using a leash. Now that's just adorable. And this cat is fighting off dogs like a real hero. Imagine this photographer's emotions as a 275-pound liger, a mix of a lion and a tiger, is running right at him. Turns out it just wanted to play.
I just keep my back to him.
That's all for today. Subscribe if you want more.